Friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be continuing our DVWA series or DAM vulnerable web application, particularly file upload at medium security level. It's getting a bit more difficult. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now let's get into it. First of all, we need to navigate to DVWA security and then submit the level of medium. And then we need to go to file upload. So I think the function is the same as low security level. Choose an image to upload. But if we upload the web shell file, this file, you see what will happen. Browse, shell, upload. You see, we got error. Your image was not uploaded. We can only accept JPEG or PNG images. In comparison to low security level, this level introduces some sort of filter or control. If you look at its source code, it indeed put some validation. You see, they will check the uploaded type, whether it's JPEG or PNG, even will check its size. Of course, the size is okay. The size is 5,000 and 4 kilobytes. So this just about 100 kilobytes. It's okay, it's acceptable. But the type list prevents us from uploading to the target machine. So how to do next? Our task here is to bypass such a filter. Normally, we can take the following techniques to bypass the filter. First one, we can change extension. In the real engagement, we don't know which kind of filter in place, right? Sometimes the application will be checking its type or extension. So if the PHP is in blacklist, however, PHP 3, PHP 5 or 4 are not included in the blacklist, and then we can change the extension to the extension what are not in the blacklist. And for sometimes even we can use like PHTML. Okay, all extensions will not affect execution of PHP engine. Okay, so this is the first way. And the second way, we can try to change content type. And for example, we can use Bob Suite. Okay, and sometimes we need to change the header or magic header to cheat the application we are image. For example, if we go to we can use the Google GIF magic header, and we can open this Wikipedia page. So GIF, let me search it. GIF Yes, for example, we can put this string into head of the file. For example, we can, you can use editor like a shell and, go to the header and then insert the string into the header. Okay. And sometimes we need to combine different, different techniques. And sometimes we can change PHP uh, extension to, for example, image. But this case, we, for example, like a PNG or GIF or JPEG, but we need to integrate with another vulnerability like the file inclusion vulnerability. Okay, so these are common techniques when we attempt to bypass a filter. Okay, so now what can we do next? Let me go back to the browser. Since we have to know so which kind of filter in place on the target machine, and we can, this can be done very easily. So how to do? Let me use Burp Suite. So we can set the Foxy proxy to Burp Suite, and then we can launch Burp Suite proxy. Next, and start Burp Suite. We make our Burp Suite larger so you can see what's going on exactly. So at the top, we can navigate to proxy tab and then enable intercept option. Now let's go back to the browser and try to upload the same file and upload. And then we can get the request with Burp Suite. We can send this request to repeater module. And then, we can play around the request, including its header, part, and body. For example, here, right now the content type is application X type. And since our application is blocking or has blacklist, and this is not in the whitelist. So now what we can do, we can try to change to image GPEG. Okay, send it to see whether we can upload this file this time. Send it. Scroll down. Scroll down. File upload. So you see the file has been successfully uploaded. Okay, and then we can access this file, like we did in the previous level. We can run commands, we can get interactive shell, and so on and so forth. So next, I'm going to show you another way, just I said, to see whether this time can work or not. We can maybe, no, we can put the, the magic header. We can copy. Or you can alternatively, you can use editor like Vim, like Nano to edit the file. Okay, but in this case, I just put the string, the magic number to cheat the application. And this time, I can change back the type to the PHP. We can copy. But I don't think this way can work. Okay, we can send it. Your image was not uploaded, so we must change the content type. Okay, image JPEG. Okay, and send it. Okay, successfully uploaded as before. So, all right, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you next. Bye. Have a good day, please.